this video, I'll show you how to create a creative text opening animation in CapCut PC. Start by going to the Text tab and adding default text to the timeline. On the right panel, type multiple uppercase I characters. Adjust spacing and font settings until the letters merge into a solid white block. Scale and resize the text to cover the entire screen. Select the text layer, navigate to Animation, and under the In category, choose the Flicker animation. Adjust the duration to span the entire text layer. Right-click the layer and create a compound clip. Move this clip to the main track. Go to Video Basics, scroll down to Canvas, and set the background color to black. Right-click again to create a compound clip. Move the compound clip to the upper track. Drag your main video to the main track below. Select the compound clip. Go to Video Basics, scroll to Blend, and choose Multiply. That's it. For more editing tips, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.